guys, it's Andrea here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. So today I'm here with my best friend Sable. Ow. And we're gonna do the 5-minute makeup challenge. So you guys ready? Alright, so I have about to time it right here on my phone. So I'm gonna hit start in 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, we only got 5 minutes. Wait, I prime first.
Oh, that's right. Oh wait, no, I primed off. Okay.
Oh, I don't even need like a damn mirror. I have your phone and my camera right here.
I don't know how I'm gonna.
I don't know how I'm gonna do this in 5 minutes. Wait, do it.
You're gonna have to
like, do my eyebrows first. I can't remember. Oh, I already started.
You're gonna have to give me like time intervals, like.
Oh, okay. So when I hit like 4 minutes, let you know.
Yes.
Okay, guys, I haven't even done nothing yet. I just primed. Like I got time.
Like these eyebrows, it's gonna look tragic.
I'm over here still trying to. Okay, so that's done.
You know what? Already moving too fast.
Oh wait, right. Because I didn't even do my eyebrows, girl. I'm over here ready to put on foundation. I didn't even do my eyebrows. So you got.
Wait, you're gonna
4 minutes.
Oh my god.
4 minutes and we didn't even do nothing yet. I didn't even get the brows done. I don't even think I used this brush. Oh my god, this is the wrong brush. Lord.
It's the wrong video.
Okay. I might only get my brush. What is this brush doing?
Cause fun fact, I swear one of my eyebrows go lower than the other. So
this is not the brush. Oh my goodness.
Girl, get it together.
I'm trying. It's hard. I have part of an eyebrow down.
Which is good, I guess.
Okay. Lord.
Okay, what do I do next? I don't even know.
Foundation? Did you do foundation?
Wait, I cleaned up my brows, but I don't even know if I have time to do that. Let me try.
You have 3 minutes.
What? Already?
Yeah.
Oh, you wildin'. Nah, you wildin'. Alright.
Girl, I still haven't put on nothing on my face.
Oh my gosh.
I might just have a really nice, this eyebrow was bad. Guys. Oh my god. Okay. After I get the eyebrows, I should have done my eyebrows.
Oh my god, Dre, your phone timed out.
No, it's good. It's not gonna stop. It's on the
But
timer.
It's not even telling me. Hey, ain't no way I spent 2 minutes on eyebrows. Like,
girl, okay, at least you have foundation on. I'm over here still doing the eyebrows badly.
Because
wait, you're off camera. Move
oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, let them see you.
Okay.
Now.
Okay. Alright.
Goodness.
Okay. We in here. We out here.
Are we really?
We doing stuff. We
got,
making magic. Stuff is happening.
I'm beating the life out of my face, but it hurts. Like this is hard. This is a hard beat.
Who's anybody commenting?
We have 2 minutes.
Oh, okay. Concealer. Okay, alright.
I really just might have a no makeup look today.
Dre,
this is also my no makeup tutorial.
You really
girl, I have nothing done.
You ain't have no preparation, no nothing.
Right, you primed off camera. Oh my god, we got a minute and 45 seconds.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, whatever, that's done with. Everything's gone. Oh god.
Guys, I swear I do better work than this.
Guys, it takes me an hour to do this. What are you talking about?
I swear I do better work than this with my blender. Oh god.
Okay, so that's concealer, whatever. I'm trying to close stuff and keep things neat and whatnot. I can't.
Oh, you wow, I'm throwing it down.
Okay, and blend to the gods. Why you breathing so hard?
I look like the people that I be making fun of in the street.
No, decline. Why is he FaceTiming me right now? We got a minute. Oh, wait. Oh no, oh my god, we only got a minute.
Oh my god, wait. Okay, eyeliner. Or let me just say eyeliner, what the?
Yo, son, is he watching this? Is that what it is?
I don't know.
Okay.
Who is it?
Lucci.
Oh.
You know I'm gonna FaceTime me and then text me. I don't have time for that. Okay.
Okay, where's my eyeliner? Where's the eyeliner?
36 seconds.
Okay.
I think this is it. This is the look.
Okay.
This is it. Oh, Sable, what? Oh Lord, oh my God, oh my Lord. This is terrible. Oh god. I can't blend this fast.
This makes my under eye look so whatever.
Oh,
I really
5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, done. Yeah, done. Makeup down. Okay. Got it. Timer done.
Oh god, why did I put this wig on?
I don't know why you thought you had time for wait, come here. Let me look at you. Wait. Oh, what is the blending I have created? Look at my blend.
Like,
Look at
I might as well have, oh god. Oh my god. I might as well have only freaking did
girl.
lipstick like that.
Right.
What did you do?
I was trying to get my face done. It doesn't look that bad, but like me trying to blend
I
this
feel like you may have nothing going on down here, like
at all. Nothing really happens until after I contour. Like
I feel like if you wear a face mask, everything up here is fine.
So like from my nose up it's good, but like down it's terrible.
So this is my new trend, guys.
Just one.
It's called the one line liner. You don't even put it on both eyes. You only put it on one eye.
Guys, we failed. I look, oh my god.
Not gonna lie, somewhere between 5 and 3, I swear there was no time. Like when you said 3 minutes,
I said, okay, we start. 4 minutes. 3, 2, 1.
Why does that time move this fast when I'm at work?
Right.
Because
he said stop doing your makeup. I can't stop. Okay.
He is watching.
Okay, guys. So that's
just
it.
only look at me from this angle.
You sure you want to do that? Want me to zoom in?
No, don't see. I'm just saying this face, this side of the face.
Okay, guys. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed our nonsense, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below and make sure you subscribe and share, alright? Catch you guys next time. Love you. Bye.
Bye.
Show the camera your hand. That's how she was gonna set, guys. That's like the mess my best friend has created while trying to do this YouTube video with me. You are hilarious.
Look at mine, I gotta stop saying.
Right, I'm gonna bleep that out.
I don't think nobody heard it, hopefully.
You would be surprised the things that they hear. Like
it's not the worst.
What are you trying to do?
No, this is not the worst. Okay.
Guys, this new Snapchat is terrible. It's terrible. I don't know how to send things
I think that's
in my
own
story.
video right there, to be honest.
Right. A review on the new Snapchat. Stay tuned for next time. Later.